Hello everyone and welcome to Teacher John's first extra supplementary science lesson. This is meant to give the students an opportunity to study science at home. Okay, this is to help students who maybe have difficulty concentrating in class, or maybe just need a little extra practice. Okay, so let's get started, and I will begin reading. Okay, page 1, or 16 I should say, page 16. It says, picture clues. Pictures can give you clues about what you read. You might be wondering, what are clues? What are clues? Let's look. I have a definition for clue. A clue is anything that guides or directs in the solution of a problem. So, I'm looking for something that will help me solve this problem. What is our problem? Well, let's find out. This says scientists. What is a scientist? Oh, here we go. Someone who asks questions and looks for answers. Anyone can be a scientist. A kid can be a scientist, like this girl. An adult can be a scientist. Anyone who asks questions and looks for answers. Okay. Scientists use tools to investigate. This girl is a scientist. She measures. She observes. She observes some more. Soon she will learn something new. Okay, so let's go back to our word clue. Clues. And let's look, using this picture, let's look for some clues to answer this question. Look at the picture. What are two tools that scientists use? Tools. Do we see any tools? Is this headband a tool? No, it's not a tool. What is a tool? Let's go to our definitions. A tool is something that is used to do work. There can be many tools. A shovel to dig, a pencil to write, a ruler to measure how long something is. Okay. I see a ruler, so one of her tools is a ruler. Excuse my handwriting. L-E-R. Ruler. Yes, a ruler. Do we see anything else? Seashells? No, not a tool. Oh, a magnifying glass. That's a nice one. That's a tool, but it's a bit long to write. Let's look for one more. A scale. A scale is used to find how heavy something is. How much does it weigh? So how do we spell scale? S-C-A-L-E. Scale. Wonderful. Okay, and one more word I want to talk about is observes. So this girl is observing this seashell. So let's see, what does observe mean? Okay, observe. To use your senses to find out about something. You use your 5 senses. Number 1, sight, seeing things. So, is she using her sight? Yes, she's using her sight. Good, okay. What other senses do we have? Smell. Okay, is she smelling this? No, I don't think so. Not smelling it. Hearing. Is she listening to the shell? Using her ears? No, I don't think so. What else? Taste? Is she eating it? Mmm. No, I don't think so. And touch? Is she touching it? Yes, she is. Okay, so she's touching it, and she's using her sense of touch and her sense of sight. Okay, that's our first extra lesson for science. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I will make all of these studying materials available to anyone who is interested. All the definitions, and also I am making a list of science words and translating them into Thai for anyone who is interested in that also. So thank you very much.